The reporter says that Hazrat Ashas bin Qais said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, it is about me, for I had a dispute with a Jew about a piece of land. He denied me my share. So I went to the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said to me, 'Do you have any witness?' I submitted, 'No.' He Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said to the Jew, 'Take an oath.' He said that he submitted, 'O Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he will take an oath and my property will go to waste.' He states that Allah the Exalted at this sent this command, 'Undoubtedly, those who accept mean price in exchange for their covenant with Allah and their oath, they have no portion in the hereafter, and Allah will neither speak to them nor look towards them on resurrection day, nor will He purify them, and for them there is a painful torment.'" Surah Al Imran, verse 77. The Prophet ﷺ said, "You must have witnesses, otherwise oath will be on him." Ibn Shabroma narrates that Abu Zinad discussed with me about the evidence of a witness and the oath of a plaintiff. So I said that Allah the Exalted says, "And make two witnesses from among your men. Then if two men be not available, then a man and two women, such witnesses as you like, so that either of the two women errs in memory, then the other may remind to that one." I said, when the evidence of a witness and the oath of the plaintiff suffice, then why there remains a requirement that a woman should remind to the other one? Moreover, what status will be given to the action of reminding the other woman? Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2667.